Samsung gives 5K studio display competition and includes a 4K webcam. Unlike Apple, Samsung just did what Apple couldn't.
That's the title.
You like that, Will, how
Yeah.
I'm helping you out, right? You didn't even get to the titles yet, and I'm just giving you the titles.
Sure.
I just like to make your life easier like that. Otherwise, you might turn that axe on me that you got over. You just got a little axe on the sidelines. It's very sharpened. It's a little bit threatening. Me, I just got some delicious sauce.
Yeah.
You, on the other hand, are brandishing weapons.
Yeah. Get ready.
This is lovely. So we got a 4K webcam. What's the resolution of the display? It's called Viewfinity S9. New lineup of monitors. Two of the most exciting models for Mac users include the company's first 5K monitor with a slick design, kind of like Apple Studio Display. 27-inch version of the Smart Monitor M8. We've looked at those monitors on the show. Very versatile monitors. Webcams, magnets, all kinds of things that are exciting. So this is a 27-inch 5K panel, 5120 by 2880, 99% DCI-P3, built-in color calibration, USB-C, and Thunderbolt 4 connectivity. You have a matte display finish, a built-in 4K webcam, and Samsung Smart Hub. You've also got a new M8 27-inch monitor. I've looked at the 32. We have it over there. These are stylish monitors with smart TV functions built in, kind of one display that you can have in your apartment or something. It can be your smart TV and your monitor. USB-C with up to 65 watts of charging. This one is 4K, 16 by 9, 60 hertz refresh. So yeah, it's not as fancy or exciting as the other one, but it's versatile and cheaper. It doubles as a smart TV with Apple TV Plus built in and AirPlay 2, and it'll be around $699. Obviously, the 5K, that fancy 5K model with the 4K webcam, going to cost you a few bucks more, but I like seeing options here. Apple charges a boatload for their displays, and the global economic downturn. Don't get me started. Don't get me going again. It's been a topic. It's been we have a visitor. You're going to have to do it fast. Come on, come in and say hello. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mo, and he's trying to get my attention. Plus, he's got a certain outfit going on. I don't know if he's cold or what. He's got a furry jacket. Maybe he's cold. It's not that cold in here.
Nice jacket.
Okay, so yes, go ahead. Real quick, go ahead. What's your message?
All we see is your chin.
Do you guys want coffee?
I'm good, thanks.
All right.
This one's cold, actually. So, yeah, I'll have a small. It'll be a dark roast. Thank you very much. You know what? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Mo. That's unbelievable. This is unbelievable stuff.
All right, last one.
We're live here, and things happen, and coffee gets ordered, and you never know what's going to happen.